guys. So today we will see how to remove the duplicates in the linked list. So here I took a simple linked list, you can see that here. So and then I took two variables C and then P. So here C refers to the current node, that is the head of the list, linked list, and then P refers to the previous pointer in the list. So at initial stage I'm making this P as none, and then I took a simple hash set. So why I took a hash set here, we can also use hash map here. So we already know that hash set won't allow duplicates. So we already know that hash set won't allow duplicates. So we will see how using hash set we can remove the duplicates in the linked list. First of all, I am taking 12. So 12 is not in the hash set. So I am adding 12 in the hash set. And then I am making previous node to the current node, and then current node to the current node next node. So I will just repeat it again. I just took the node 12. So 12 is not in the hash set. So I added 12 to the hash set, and I made the previous pointer to the current node, and then current node pointer to the current node dot next. So we are going to continue this process, and then I'm checking 11. 11 is not in the hash set, so I'm adding 11 in the hash set, and then I'm making previous node to the current node, and then current node to the current node dot next. So now it is in 21. I'm adding 21 to the hash set, and then I'm making previous node to the current node, and then current node to the current node dot next. So now it is at 12. So I'm going to add 12 to the hash set. I'm going to add 12 to the hash set, but if you see in the hash set, 12 is already present in the hash set. 12 is already present in the hash set. So at this point I'm not going to add 12. So I know that 12 is already present in the hash set. So I'm going to make, so I just repeat it again. So we know that 12 is already in the hash set. So I'm going to make previous node next. I'm going to make previous node next to the current node next. So I'm making previous node next to the current node next. So automatically 12 got deleted. So in the hash set, next 41 got added to the hash set. So duplicate got automatically removed from the linked list. So how to implement this diagram in the program, we will see in the next video or in the next session. So now we will see how to remove the duplicates in the linked list in code. So here I took a simple main method, you can see that. So in this simple main method, I inserted the elements 12, 11, 21, 12, 41, and then I'm going to simply print this one. So we got the null pointer exception. Okay, so this one I'm just commenting it. So for the output purpose I printed all those things. So now we don't need this one. So if you can see this, I just inserted and then I'm just printing it. So now you can see that we have a linked list which is having duplicate. So here 12 is the duplicate. So 12 is coming twice. So and then I called one remove duplicate method, which is as usual, which returns null, and then with input linked list as a input. So what are all the parameters we need for this one? So first thing is we need to know what is the current node. So current node variable I just want to know. So current node is nothing but the list dot head. So I have to traverse from the head till the end. So we know already that in linked list we can traverse only from the head. It is not like array. So we know all those things already. So and then second thing is we need to keep track of the previous node. So I'm creating another variable previous, which is null. For the first time I don't know what is that. So and then I'm taking hash set to remove the duplicates. So I'm having a hash set to remove the duplicates, so which you can see here. So hash set, yeah. So now what we need to do is we have to traverse the linked list. So for that I'm just making like current node not equal to null. So if it is null, then it reached the end. So I'm just looping it if current node, while current node not equal to null, which means that it just traversed from head till the end of the linked list. So here I need to check two conditions. We already saw in that diagram. We have to first check if the input element or if the linked list element is present in the hash set or not. So how we can check that is hash set dot contains hash set dot contains of current node dot data. So here I am checking if the current data is present or not, or otherwise what we need to do. So the common thing is we have to traverse the next node. For example, first time here we will have 12. So here the head is 12. So I'll just write it in here. Yeah, 12, 11, 21, 12, and then 41. So first node is 12 and then it has to traverse to 11. So for that purpose I'm just making like current node equal to current node dot next. Okay, so now we are coming to the logic. If the current node dot data, if the data is not present in the hash set, then we need to add it to the hash set. Current node dot data, and then we have to make the current node as the previous node. We need to make current node as the previous node. Okay, so if the hash set contains this data, so which means that it is a duplicate. So if the hash set contains that data, which means that already it got added to the hash set, and then it has to get removed. So how we can remove is previous dot next equal to current dot next. So here current node is this one. I think we finished everything. So now we have to return this list. So I gave here null, right? So I'm returning this list. So now I'm just uncommenting all those things. So simply I put it once this out, and then after removal, and then this removal list. So you can see this one, removal list. So now we can execute this one. Okay, we got the error, exception in unresolved. Okay, linked list problems.java 28. Okay, this I didn't remove. Shift X. Yeah, now if you see after removal we have only 12, 11, 21, 41 null. So the duplicate element 12 got removed. So I will just repeat it again. So we have one method which is containing linked list as an input. So we are taking 3 inputs. So what are all the initial conditions are current node. What is the current node? So list.head is the current node, and then I'm making previous as null, because for the first time we don't know what is the previous node or something, so which is null. And then I'm taking simply a hash set, and then I'm taking a while loop. So we have to traverse from first element to the last element, so I'm having a while loop. Inside that I'm just checking like if the hash set contains that element or not. So it has to if it doesn't contain, then I'm just adding this current node to the hash set, and then I'm making previous pointer to the current node. If the hash set contains the data, then I'm just making previous dot next equal to current node dot next, so that the current node got deleted in this one. and then it has to traverse to next element. For that purpose, commonly, so we need to do this inside if also, else also. So commonly I placed this line here. Okay, so this is what we can remove duplicates from the linked list. For more videos, thank you.